Here we are, the big day, finally. This is so special. But somehow, at the same time, the most normal and natural step for us to take. Like everything feels natural and normal with you from day one.
But since I met you, you swept me off my feet and showed me what true love means. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. I promise to always be there to support your dreams and be there for you when you need me. I promise to make you always feel loved. I promise that I'll do my best to not just grow old together, but to grow together.
I promise to be there in these beautiful times, but also in the darker days. I'm proud to speak out here in front of all our dearest that I truly love you.
Today I take you as you are, an amazing spirit and a kind soul.
Dear family and friends of Kari and Michel, we are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the joining of Kari Merinos Lugo and Michel van Eijnatte in marriage. With love and commitment, they have decided to live their lives together as husband and wife.
You are the one for me. You're everything I am, but better. And you are everything that I'm not, to admire and to learn from every day. Kari, you are the one I want to share my life with. I will always take care of you and our little family.
You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. You have been giving me the most amazing family and a place where I finally belong to.
With this ring, Michel, do you take Kari Merinos Lugo to be your wife? To have and to hold from this way forward, for better or for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
With this ring, Kari, do you take Michel van Eijnatte to be your husband? To have and to hold from this way forward, for better or for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Oh Familia hermosa, buenas noches. Es un placer estar aquí y gracias por estar con nosotros. Gracias por acompañar a Cari, a Michelle, en este día tan importante para ellos.
Ten years ago, we started working at a bank, and Cari organized a dinner for a group of 10 people. Karina, how are you getting home? Don't worry about it. So I thought, okay, I like this girl. She lives in the moment. Michel, because you and Cari met when I was already living in New York, we actually haven't spent so much time together. And you guys both created a home together. She got roots, which was very important. And she found a buddy for life in you. And as a bit of a nomad myself, I can definitely attest that that's the most important thing in life.
Michelle and Cari, quisiera que esta noche fuera interminable, que la felicidad de este día se prolongue por toda su vida. Bendiciones y que siga la fiesta.